Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys TalkBack problem. How can we solve? Friends, we want to solve guys Samsung phone guys TalkBack problems and how can we solve it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we solve TalkBack problem in our Samsung phone device guys. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So friends, you don't know guys how to solve talkback problem in any Android phone and guys any Samsung device. So friends, you can solve easily friends. First of all, use your two fingers and guys scroll it. And friends, you can see your phone setting guys. One tap, click on phone setting and guys again double tap guys. Continue double tap guys. And friends, you can see this type setting in your phone. So guys, Samsung phone guys, you can solve guys talkback problem from accessibility setting. So guys, tap on accessibility and guys again guys double tap. Hence click on talkback and guys again double tap. As you can see this icon talkback is on guys, tap here and double tap. Friends, click on turn off and guys double tap. Friends, come back. Friends, you can see guys your talkback about talkback guys, how can we use, how can we off and how can we solve it. So like that guys we can solve guys talkback problem guys. You can see guys talkback problem has solved and guys now we can use our phone without this talkback problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.